Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about two of the most popular large language models, ChatGPT and Google Bard. We'll be comparing and contrasting the two models, and discussing which one is better for different tasks. Let's understand this difference with the help of chart. Number 1, Bard is developed by Google, whereas ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI. Now, what is OpenAI? OpenAI is an AI research organization, known for creating advanced models like GPT-3 and promoting ethical and responsible AI development. They strive to advance AI technology while ensuring its safe and responsible use. Number 2, Bard uses Lambda, whereas ChatGPT uses GPT 3.5 and GPT 4. Lambda stands for Language Model for Dialogue Applications. Number 3, Bard is free to use, whereas ChatGPT has a paid and a free version. Number 4, Bard has a real-time access to the internet, whereas ChatGPT does not have real-time access to the internet. Lastly, the most important of all, Bard is trained on an infinite set of data that is constantly being updated with new information, whereas ChatGPT is trained on a predefined set that has not been updated since 2021. To sum it all, both ChatGPT and Google Bard are powerful large language models with a wide range of capabilities. The best chatbot for you will depend on your specific needs. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on AI and technology.